Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, good morning, depending on the time you are in your particular places or your respective country. So, welcome on board to our programming class. So, we're going to be talking about programming and software the development, and also we're going to talk about introduction to Python programming language. So before we move on, let's talk about what's programming. What does it mean to program? Programming is the act of writing codes or instruction for computer to execute. So that's programming. So what you write, we use codes to write instruction for computer to execute, and the code is called program. And that's the code is called program. So therefore, let's quickly dive into installation of program. So let's go to the first one is of the installation is those who are using the phone. So now here is my, and on the Play Store you can search for Pydrot 3 for those who are yet to install theirs. Here is Pydrot 3, then install it. After installation, you're going to answer some question, but anyhow you answer it, you are good to go. It's about what you will write, what we write, that is very, very important. So now after that, we are going to, this is the app Pydrot 3. So, and this is the terminal. This is the terminal. Let's move back. Let's go back. We're not going to the terminal. So let me create new. I've already installed mine. So new file. So come up here. Go to interpreter. So this Python is of two types. You can write your code here. This place is called interpreter mode. Interpreter mode. This interpreter mode. Sorry, I want to correct this spelling. So interpreter mode. This, what does this do? It's, let's write a program, just a line of code. Print hello world. So hello world. Sorry. In printing hello world, you must put your apostrophe. Hello world. Close it and close a function. This bracket is in programming, we call it function. So can you say immediately give me the answer? Let's say print, no, this must be in small letter. Print 3 plus 9. Now the reason why this hello world is in quotation, it is because it is a letter or word. So anytime we want to print letters or word or sentences, we use what we call a quotation mark to quote it, so that it's going to be denoted to the machine that we are using string. But in this form, we're not using quotation mark, so it's going to give us our answer, because it is called integer. Integers are just number. So this place here is called interpreter mode. Here is interpreter mode. Now we are done with the interpreter mode. Now let's go to the script area. In this script area, we write all the codes. Once print hello world. So print hello world. Let's say print I am a new programmer. So then print 5 plus 8, for example. And let's check this. Can you see it starts from the beginning, then hello world, I am a new programmer, and 13. Now let's check, how does this work? There's what we call repel. Repel, it means read, evaluate, evaluation, print, and loop. Let's explain. Now it's going to read from this number 1 to number 3, and while reading it's going to evaluate. It means it's going to check each syntaxes you've used, whether you've properly give a precise instruction. If there is a mistake or an error, so it's going to give you error. So after that, it's going to print it. And how is it going to print it? It's going to loop it. So it means it's going to count from the beginning, from the very top instruction to the bottom. So that's how it is. And this, we're going to comment it out. Comment. What's meaning of comment? Comment is a way of hiding a particular writings. Like hash is used for single line commenting, but if I want to comment a lot of words I've written, a lot of things I've written, let's say I wrote this, for example, multiple line, then this is the second line, and this is the second line, I mean here's the third line. Then I want to comment this. If I start commenting into using hash, it's going to waste my time. Then I'm going to give this sorry, I'm going